welcome back to my channel, and this is 7th video of my 30 videos 60 days series. And do check out other videos as well because they are as helpful as this one. So I am curating this video for all of my college girlies, and I have recently graduated last year. In this video I'm going to tell you the basic essentials a college girl should have, and it is going to be a budget friendly beauty essential kit. And without getting late, let's start this video. Starting off with skincare, I'm going to keep it very basic and minimal. You can add anything you want to add in your skincare routine. Firstly, we have a face wash. Then moving on to toner, I have this toner which is by Plump. It is their rose water toner with hyaluronic acid. Now I have product specifically for dry skin, but if you have oily skin or combination skin, I will put a few toner for oily or combination skin people. Moving on to moisturizer, again I will put up pictures, but if you want a moisturizer that has ceramides and is rating enough for this fall or autumn season, and for oily and combination skin, they can use it in winters as well. I have this moisturizer which is Dot & Keys. It is just ceramides and hyaluronic acid barrier repair face cream. Moving on to sunscreen, I have this sunscreen which is by Plump. It is the Squalene and Vitamin E Dewy Bright sunscreen. Now again I use this sunscreen because my skin is dry, but if you don't like sunscreen looks dewy on your face, you can go for matte sunscreen. Now moving on to beauty or makeup essentials. If you want to put the time and effort in your look, you can go for a detailed makeup kind of a makeup. But for people who are always in a rush just like me, मैं आपको 4 से 5 प्रोडक्ट्स बताऊंगी उसमें आप easily presentable और अच्छा सुंदर लग सकते हो. So firstly I have CC cream. Now you can go for BB cream as well. Now what I really think is that even if you don't want to put any BB CC cream, you should invest in a stroke cream. Now I have talked about this stroke cream quite a lot of times. It is a very good stroke cream. Now if you have dark circles or hyperpigmentation, you can use concealers also. I think if you want to look presentable, concealers helps you a lot in making you look presentable, more presentable. So I have this concealer which is from Swiss Beauty. It is a very affordable one. ये 250 से 270 के रेंज में आता है. It gives a pretty good coverage. इसमें 6 शेड्स आते हैं. You can choose it according to yourself, but one thing you should keep in mind, इसके जो shades नायका पे आप available है वो काफ़ी dark दिखते हैं. This shade, it is 02. I wanted a shade which is close to my skin tone, but it is a little light on my skin. Now as a person who likes to apply blushes over anything, I have blush recommendation as well as lip and cheek tint recommendation. So I have a very budget friendly and it is very affordable blush. It is Inside Super Stay Cream Blush, and if you are not a blush person, you can invest in cheek and lip tint. They are a very good 2-in-1 type product. It is again from Inside. It is their lip and cheek tint, and it is creamy as well, but I specifically ordered this shade because look at the shade. It looks so fall and autumn appropriate, and I'm going to use this a lot. This is a very pretty lip and cheek tint. You can apply it on your lips, cheeks, chin, nose, eyes, wherever you want to. Now if you want your eyes to look big and have those dramatic eyelashes, you can invest in a good mascara. Today I have this mascara which is from Swiss Beauty. It is a Grace Duo mascara, and it performs very well for its price point. ये 300 something कुछ का आता है. What I really like about this product is कि ये बहुत easily निकल जाता है. आप oil cleanser यूज कर रहे हो या फिर मिसेलर वाटर, तो ये बहुत easily आपका निकल जाएगा. आपकी आंखों को ऐसा आपको रब नहीं करना पड़ेगा. Lastly, which is a no brainer, you should invest in a good lip tint or a lipstick, like whatever your vibe is. Like I personally like tints over lipsticks because they tend to stay more on your lips. I feel like if you don't have any kind of color on your face, you look quite dull and bimar. ना मूविंग ऑन टू हेयर केयर एसेंशियल्स। मेरा आज तक भी बहुत ही सिंपल हेयर केयर रूटीन है, शैम्पू, कंडीशनर और सीरम का, और मैं आपको कुछ रिकमेंडेशंस अपनी यहाँ पे स्क्रीनशॉट लगा दूँ। आई थिंक आपको अगर कोई बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिल सकता है तो वो ये है कि आप बहुत अच्छा स्मेल कर रहे हो, या आपने क्या लगाया है, आपके अंदर से इतनी अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है। बेसिकली यू स्मेल वेरी गुड। इट इज अ अल्टीमेट कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर मी। सो लाइक मूविंग ऑन टू बॉडी केयर एंड परफ्यूम, आई ओनली हैव वन। आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट दिस लोशन क्वाइट अ लॉट of times. It is Plums Vanilla Caramel Lotion, and अगर आपको इसकी डिटेल्स चाहिए तो आप मेरे प्रीवियस वीडियोस चेक कर सकते हो. I will link it in the description box. But I think you should invest in this type of roll-on. It is Chemist at Play underarm roll-on. If you want to have a good perfume in a affordable budget, I would suggest you these two perfumes. Like this one is from Westside and this one is from Plum, and like they both have a tendency to stay on you for a good 10 to 12 hours. Like बहुत आराम से ये रहते हैं. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you have found it helpful and enjoyed it too. And for more such fun and beauty tips, please like, share, subscribe and comment to my channel. And until then, take care and bye bye.